Friends and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss one composite section's center of gravity. So how to find the center of gravity with the simplest method. So lot of video already before also we discussed. So now this given question is, see this one semicircle 3 centimeter 3 meter dia. This length is 3 meter, this total length is 6 meter. So what you have to see here. Also they will ask find the center of gravity of shaded area, find the moment of inertia of the shaded area. So today only we will discuss the center of gravity, then moment of inertia, also very simple tricks will continue from the same problems the next video. So look here, what is our process, how we will solve this. So here, look here this question. So if you will see, one more diagrams I will draw roughly. One semicircle is there, then this radius they given 3 meter, then this also they given 3 meter, that means this line, this will be like this 3 meter. Now one triangle will be there, see this is the actually diagram. So now looks what is one rectangle is looks 3 meter and 6 meter, 3 meter radius na dia will be 6 meter. I taken out this section. Then second sections we taken triangle 3 meter because total is 6 meter. So this radius itself 3, this also 3. So total 6. So I taken this 3 meter. This total is 6 meter. Now third one is semicircle. Now semicircle is having inside. Semicircle is having inside. So for that only what will be the changes will be there formula. It will, you have to subtract this with two block, rectangle and triangle. So now look how we will solve this. So this is the questions given. So we separated the one section, two section, third section. So okay. So now look here. All three sections I taken out. Once three section I taken out, now we'll find the area first. Before this you see here, why need area? So if center of gravity formula if you'll see, x bar equal to, how many sections? 3 sections. So a1 x1 plus a2 x2 minus a3 x3. Why minus? Because semicircle is inside. Divide by total area. A1 plus A2 minus A3. So for this what we need? X bar is total center of gravity about XX. X1, X2, X3 will be the individual section of center of gravity. Similarly, if we will see the Y bar, what will be there? A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 minus A3 Y3 divide by A1 plus A2 minus A3. This only we have to find out. Here also Y1, Y2, Y3 nothing but individual section of center of gravity along YY axis. So if we know the area X1, X2, X3 and Y1, Y2, Y3, we'll get the center of gravity. For this very simple concept, what is? Take the all the three triangle out and with dimensions, what is the dimensions you write. So here one rectangle will be there. So area will be length into breadth. So 3 into 6, 18 meter square will come area. Now, if you'll see here, area A2 for the triangle, you know 1 by 2 into base into height. So 3 into 6. So it will come 9 meter square. It will come 9 meter square. Now, what is the area of the semicircle? Pi r square by 2, because area of the circle you know pi r square. So area of the semicircle is nothing but pi r square by 2. So pi into 3 square by 2. So A2 you will get 14.14 meter square. If you will calculate area will cut pi r square by 2, 14.14 meter square. So I know the area. Now x1, x2, x3 how will calculate? So this is the reference axis, y and x reference axis. So x will take from the y axis, y1 will take from the x axis, y like this. See here, suppose we are drawing the graph. This is the center 0, 0. What is this line? X equal to 0 line. What is this line? Y is equal to 0 line. Look here. Now suppose y is equal to 1. We'll draw. So this is the y is equal to 1 line. How we are measuring the y? See this from the x-axis. That's why here we'll calculate y1 will be from the x-axis. Suppose x equal to 1. X equal to 1. We are measuring from where? From the x-axis. Measuring from this distance from where? From the x-axis. So that means if we'll take the x1, we'll measure from the y-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. But y is equal to 0 line. This is x equal to 0 line. This is x equal to 1 line. Y is equal to 1 line. So this distance, how we are measuring? From the x. This distance measuring from where? From the x. So that's why x1 will measure from the y-axis. Y1, Y2 will measure from the x-axis. Now look here. What will be the value now? Suppose you are writing here x1. x1 for the rectangle 1. No? So from there, you know CG distance, half distance. Suppose this is the rectangle here. If this is the center of gravity. Center of gravity nothing but entire this rectangle weight will act at a particular point. This is known as center of gravity. That is called middle point of the rectangle. So if we'll see this, what is this length and what is this length? This length, suppose this is L B, this is L by 2. This is total B nothing but this is B by 2. So this length will be L by 2. This length will be B by 2. From the x we are measuring because this rectangle is connected to the axis. So what will come? Middle point will come. Middle point means 6 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 1.5 meter. x1. We got the x1 1.5 because this is 3, 1.5. Now x2. x2. Triangle. Where is the triangle? See here. Triangle is there. This is the rectangle and triangle is here only. But this is our axis, our reference. Now, if triangle will be there, already we discussed a lot of video. What is trick you have to remember here? So, center of gravity always will be, if you look this center of gravity means the entire weight, where actually should be here approximately. Because where the broader area, there only center of gravity will be there. So, center of gravity will be here only. That means this from here, this is the distance. If you want to come from top, suppose this height is h, 2h by 3. This is the length of center of gravity. From bottom, if you see, h by 3. So 2h by 3 plus h by 3, it will come h only. So what you have to remember? If lower section, if you are seeing the center of gravity, 2h by 3. From base you are seeing h by 3. Similarly, here see. Here also see lower sections. This suppose this length is b na 2b by 3 from this side if you are traveling from h by 3 from height. Suppose this point you are seeing from, so this distance, what is this distance? B by 3. So from top 2h by 3, h by 3, b by 3, 2b by 3. Then we are reaching the center of gravity point. Now look here what type of there. So we have to see from this side. This side we will see na, this is 3. So 2 into this length how much? 3. So 2 into 3 by 3. No, this is this side 2. So here 3 by 2 only. What is this? 3 by 3 only. 3 by 3 because we are seeing here b by 3. But where is this length? This is from the center of, from the axis of reference 3 meter. So 3 plus 3 by 3. 3 plus this length is 3. So 3 plus 3 by 3. So how much will coming? 4 meter. How much coming x2? 4 meter. x2 coming 4 meter. Now look here. x3. Suppose this triangle, if you are seeing from this side 2b by 3, but now we are looking from the x-axis. So this, where is this triangle? After 3 meter. What is this center of gravity distance? Somewhere here will come na this length. This length nothing but b by 3. So b by 3 na 3 by 3 and 3 plus 3 by 3, 4 meter, x3. Now so see the square. This also I discussed so many times. Suppose this is 3. If you are seeing this side, 4r by 3 pi. Actually this center of gravity will be there. So this is distance. And what is this distance? R minus 4r by 3 pi. This you have to remember. This derivation is there. If you derive there, what is the center of gravity point from this side, from left side, right side. So this side you have to remember from the horizontal side, 4r by 3 pi. From the tip side r minus 4r by 3 pi. Suppose you will see from here r only, from here r only. So you will reach this point. So this distance is r, this distance is r, this distance is 4r by 3 pi, this distance is r minus 4r by 3 pi. If both you will add, it will come r only. So now look here, you are seeing from this side. Suppose this is the semicircle. Now we are seeing from the this side. We are seeing the this side. So what is connected from the axis? 4r by 4 into r by 3 pi. So what is the 4 into r is 3 by 3 pi. So 4 by pi. How much coming 4 by pi? It will come 1.27 meter. 1.27 meter, because all dimensions given meter. So we know the x1, x2, x3. Now we know. Now if y1, if you'll see here y1 may from base, total rectangle 6 by 2, so 3 meter. Here if you'll see y1 triangle, now look here, y1 we are seeing from here. From here now this distance I need, this distance nothing but h by 3. So what is the height total? 6. Total height is 6, h by 3. So 6 by 3, so 2 meter. Now from this we have to need this distance. This distance what from here r only. So y3 nothing but r means 3 meter. So now you know x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now we can calculate, we'll substitute this formula, we'll get the answer. So what is the trick here? If you remember this, suppose semicircle 4r by 3 pi. This side, tip side, lower section side, r minus 4 by 3 pi. This is r, this is r. Triangle, 2h by 3 from the top, h by 3. Suppose you are confusing here 2h by 3, here 2h by 3. Substitute this value, suppose this 6 meter. 6 meter. So 2 into 6 by 3, how much coming? 4 meter. Here h by 3, 6 by 3 na 2 meter. See, this distance is 2, this meter is 4. Suppose wrongly you wrote here 2h by 3. So it will come 4. So 4 means somewhere here. So this is not a center gravity point. So that way you can remember also. Suppose you are confusing from base 2h by 3 or top 2h by 3. Substitute this some numerical value, assume, and substitute this value, how much coming. So bigger distance will be from the lower sections, it will come. So 2h by 3. Similarly here, lower sections 2b by 3. So this is the trick. So you can find out the all the value. Now you will substitute, you will get the answers. Okay. So look here. Now we are going to substitute and then we will calculate. A1, everything is there. A1 18 into x1 1.5 minus plus A2 9 into A2 x2 4 minus now because this is inside minus A3 how much 14.14 into A2 A3 and x3 we not x3 calculator no 1.27 divided by total area how much is there A1 18 plus 9 minus 14.14. If you'll solve this, we'll calculate this now. 18 into, look here, calculator keep in degree mode. 18 into 1.5, it is coming 27 plus not 36 will come. 9 plus 4 is nothing but 36 minus 14.14 into 1.27, it is coming 17.9578. So increase, suppose 9578, you can write here 96 or all 4 digit, nothing wrong. So you write 96, one digit increase this. Now total area means 18 plus 9 how much? 18 plus 9 is nothing but 27 minus 14.14 is coming 12.86. It is coming 12.86. Now how much will be there? If we'll do the 27 plus 36, 63 minus 17.96 is coming 45.6. 0.04 divided by 12.86. If we'll divide this, divide 12.86, it is coming 3.50. 3.50 meter. What is this one? X bar, about XX center of gravity. Similarly, you substitute here. A1 how much? 18. Y1 how much? 3. Plus A2 9. Y2, this should be Y2, Y1, Y2, X3, Y3. So this is Y2. So how much Y2? 2 meter minus A3. A3 is 14. A3. A1, A2. See this. A3, A3, X3. So A1, X1, A2, X2, A3, X3 and Y3. A3, X3, Y3. Correct. Now correct. These things according to this symbol 1 means 1, symbol 2 means 2, 3 means 3. Now A3 14.14 into A3 over Y3 3. Now total area will be same 12.86. Now we'll calculate 18 into 3, that will be 54, 54 plus 18 minus 14.14 into 3. So it's coming 42.42 divided by 12.86. Now 54 plus 18, 72 minus 42.42 is coming 29.58 by 12.86. So if you divide with this 12.86, it's coming 2.3 meter. What is this one? Y bar. So now center of gravity we know for Y bar. We'll write this Y bar. Y bar is total center of gravity. X bar is equal to nothing but 3.50 meter. So you can write here X bar comma Y bar is nothing but 3.50 comma 2.3, or you can write here meter comma meter. This is the for your answer, center of gravity. From the center of gravity we can find the moment of inertia. That will take, we'll see the next video. Same data will keep, this value will write here, and we'll calculate the moment of inertia with the easiest method in the next video. So here only you have to remember how to find x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That only if you remember, and this is the method to solve the center of gravity for the given any sections. Okay students, watch this video carefully, each steps, make the notes, and share this video as possible as to your friends, and those still not subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel. So once new video will upload directly, you will get the video in your setup. Okay, thank you.